So here's the first of the 2 cranes we're gonna get. We're getting them set up. We got brought in 2 cranes to set up the big one. I tell ya, totally exciting. Some of the residents aren't excited, whether it's due to the noise. They got stuff all over the place here. Or as you can see right there, we got pile driving, where they did pile driving going on. We got 2 guys there working on it now. I'm totally stoked. I can't help it. I think it's because I went to school for originally. But that's what we got, guys. So I guess they're gonna try and have this set up today, and then they're gonna bring the second crane in, but they haven't scheduled for that yet. So we'll see what happens. We got all these parts laying around. So we'll see what happens. Okay guys, that's it. Jai Guru, protect this site.